Hello, sir. Would you like some cheesecake?
Oh, yes, I would actually. Can I have some?
Come on, bro, this is a robbery.
No, you ate the cheesecake!
Darn right, that was so good, Billy. Give me a high five. Oh shoot, he's made it. Oh, he did. Bye, bye, Billy. Ow! Billy, why?
No, why? Why?
Like some more cheesecake. I have one more bite left.
I'll take it. I need it. I mean, I'm almost dead from that bomb.
It's delicious cheesecake. That is totally not part of a giant squid.
Definitely not. Definitely cheesecake.
Definitely not. Definitely like creamy, cheesy goodness and crust, not like suckers and calamari.
Can I have some more cheesecake?
Yes, you can, Billy. Here you go. I saved a piece just for my little Billy. Isn't it beautiful?
Can I have my cheesecake? No, you ate my cheesecake.
Man, that's good, Billy. I'm out of bombs, so I can't blow you off again. But okay, let's keep going. See that boat over there? It's a boat. Ow.
Fine then.
I'm impervious to your attacks, fire. You cannot button about me, Billy. Ah!
That's what you get.
No, Billy. You are my best son. You're a bad shot too, Billy. Just like I remember you.
Fine then. You want this rowboat so you can try to catch up to
No,
us?
Billy, that's my prize rowboat. Don't you dare drop it. My prize rowboat.
Oops, I dropped
No!
it.
My prize rowboat! No! I won that in an annual boating competition 50 years ago. I made this with my bare hands, Billy.
Cool. You can make another one with your bare
Oh, it's all
hands.
scarred. What have you done to it, Billy?
Well, I can help
I
that fire
polish the thing
shot it
every
with a
5
cannon.
minutes, Billy. What? I didn't get new in-laws. Hey, Billy. I'm back, Billy.
Don't dock him.
I got something to... I got something to...
Cool. But is that something?
I got something to...
You got something too?
I got something to say about
Whoa.
your hygiene. I got something to say about your hygiene. I got something to say about your hygiene. I'm on a boat. Move.
Dang it. We meant to lose you.
Invincible. I am made of impregnable iron. Sovereign steel. You
Okay.
cannot kill me. Nothing can kill me. You hear me? Nothing. You may try as you want, but you cannot kill me. Nothing.
So how's that
sure
working
about
out
that?
for you? You want a banana?
Burn, Billy. Burn. Billy, why you're up my back again? Ah, it hurts. Ah,
Want a banana?
I must sell the
Sell the
cheesecake
fish.
to this man. Hey, Billy, you think this man likes cheesecake?
Does the
Does this
man
man
like
like
cheesecake?
cheesecake? I give him
Come on,
cheesecake.
Derek.
Also, I have a fat fish.
Blah.
And I have another fat. Nope, that's a pineapple. That's not a fat fish. I have Mr. Toothy McJawface.
Bye, fire.
Look at Toothy McJawface. He'll
Ooh.
bite you. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Reaper? Is that you?
I don't
Dude,
know.
back off. We're coming. I gotta get a screenshot of this. I gotta get a screenshot of this, man. Dude, you back off. Back off! Get out of here! Dude, get out of here. He's looking at you. Leave. I need to get a screenshot of this. Get out! You're already still looking at... Oh my gosh. Don't move. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is creepy. His neck's like turned around. He's like something from The Exorcist or something.
You guys get back on the ship. We're fighting Flameheart.
Alright.
Get back on.
Captain
We're fighting
Flame Fart. Arg. Captain Flame
Alright.
Fart. Whoa.
When did you stop recording? Because I went on for probably way too long.
There, we're still gonna fight Captain Flame Fart. I'm still recording. Arg, 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 arg.
You're still recording?
Yes, I am still
Oh
recording.
boy,
Arg, arg, arg,
oh
arg.
boy, yeah. I can still keep doing my improv that I've been training for, like, today.
By the way, guys.
Whoa, Billy!
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Let
whoa.
that out
What
of
was
your
that?
pie hole.
Keep in mind, guys, this is all improv.
What's improv? Grooving and
It's
stuff?
It's called improvising, okay?
Improving and stuff?
It's improvising.
I don't know what that means.
Dude, what the heck? You starting to sound like me. But look, you sound like a woman, dude.
I am a woman.
Really? Really, Billy?
No.
I don't believe you. Hey, look, I got a bowl of soup. Would you like a bowl of soup? That's totally
I
not
want
half
a
of
bowl
a
of
pineapple.
soup.
Well,
Yeah,
too
I
bad.
A bowl of sloop?
Why do you keep eating all my food?
You can't have sloop, Billy. You're allergic to sloop. Billy, you're allergic. Billy, don't be that, Billy. Oh, I'm so sorry. Billy, I'm gonna drink my special tonic. You go ahead and get a sip too. Get a sip. Totally not water. I mean, it's just it might be water. I told him to just like get it from the ocean. It's
I
totally
got
not
my
salt
special
water.
tonic. It's called Souls.
It's not salt water. Don't worry. I mean, it totally is salt water.